Today, we will present the 9 most effective exercises to make you incredibly strong. By watching this video, you'll discover how to transform your physique and reach a level of strength you never thought possible. From lifting extremely heavy weights to building a robust, steel-like body. And I'm sure that exercise number 8 isn't part of your routine. Number 1. Deadlift. Imagine an exercise that not only challenges but also transforms almost every muscle in your body. The deadlift is the king of compound exercises, focusing intensely on the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Each repetition requires a tremendous amount of strength and coordination, as the movement involves lifting the weight from the ground to hip height. This exercise perfectly combines brute strength with refined technique. When you perform the deadlift, you stimulate muscle hypertrophy and cause significant neural adaptations. These adaptations enhance the brain's ability to recruit more muscle fibers efficiently, resulting in a remarkable increase in strength. Additionally, this exercise is excellent for improving grip strength, as holding a heavy barbell puts a lot of stress on the forearms. Another major benefit is the improvement of posture. By strengthening the muscles around the spine and core, you ensure a more upright and stable posture, which is essential for spinal health. Undoubtedly, the deadlift is one of the most comprehensive exercises you can add to your training routine, promoting a significant transformation in strength and endurance. Number 2. Abdominal. Abdominals are one of the most recognized exercises when it comes to strength and aesthetics. However, they are much more than just achieving a defined midsection. Working on this area strengthens the entire body, providing stability and support for almost every movement, both in the gym and in daily activities. When performing abdominal exercises like leg raises, you focus on the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse muscles. Having a strong core is essential for executing other heavy exercises like deadlifts and squats, as it keeps the spine protected and improves overall posture. Furthermore, a well-developed core helps prevent injuries, improves balance, and increases athletic performance. The key to achieving functional and visible results lies in consistency and proper execution. Keep your core engaged during each repetition and combine abdominals with a balanced routine to achieve impressive strength. Number 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that never loses relevance, and for good reason. They simultaneously work the pectoral muscles, triceps, and deltoids, while also engaging the core for stabilization. The best part is that they can be performed anywhere, without the need for equipment. When doing push-ups, you're not only developing muscle strength but also improving endurance and stabilizing your shoulders. To make the exercise even more challenging, you can vary the hand width, elevate your feet, or add extra weight. Each variation targets different muscles, ensuring a complete and balanced development of the upper body. Additionally, push-ups are great for enhancing neuromuscular coordination, as they require your body to function as an integrated unit. One of the biggest benefits of this exercise is its versatility. With so many variations, you can always find a new and challenging way to perform them, keeping your workouts dynamic and effective. Number 4. Squats. Squats are widely recognized as the king of exercises due to their ability to work multiple muscles intensely and effectively. This compound movement primarily focuses on the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings while also engaging the core and lower back for stabilization. When squatting, you're performing a fundamental movement that enhances both functional strength and mobility. The axial load on the spine during the squat stimulates increased bone density, which is crucial for long-term health. Squats also improve neuromuscular coordination, making the communication between the brain and muscles more efficient. Proper technique is essential to maximize benefits and avoid injuries. Keeping your chest up, back straight, and knees aligned with your feet are key principles. Start with light weights to perfect your form and gradually increase the load as you become more confident and strong. Incorporating squats into your workout routine is a surefire way to develop a solid foundation of strength and endurance. Number 5. Parallel bars. Parallel bars are versatile equipment that allows you to work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, primarily focusing on the triceps, pectorals, and shoulders. Performing exercises on parallel bars is extremely effective for building upper body strength, as it involves lifting and lowering your body weight in a controlled manner. When executing movements on the bars, your muscles need to coordinate and stabilize your entire body, thus increasing strength and muscular endurance. Additionally, this exercise challenges your core, requiring constant control to maintain balance. You can adjust the intensity of the exercise by adding weights or changing your body angle. One of the main benefits of parallel bars is the ability to perform compound movements that mimic functional activities in daily life. By strengthening the muscles used for pushing, lifting, and stabilizing, you improve your performance in other physical activities and reduce the risk of injuries. Including parallel bars in your exercise routine is an effective way to develop robust and functional upper body strength. Number 6. Bench press. The bench press is a fundamental exercise for those looking to develop the upper body. Primarily focusing on the pectoral muscles, triceps, and anterior deltoids, the bench press is an effective way to increase both strength and muscle mass. Executing this exercise with the proper technique is vital to avoid injuries and optimize results. When performing the bench press, the mechanical tension and metabolic stress generated by the movement help stimulate muscle growth. Additionally, the bench press improves shoulder stability and strength, which is essential for activities that require overhead movements and other pressing exercises. It also contributes to muscular balance in the upper body, ensuring that the pectoral muscles are not disproportionately stronger than the back muscles. Start with light weights to master the correct technique, keeping your feet firmly planted on the floor, your shoulder blades retracted, and your core engaged. Gradually increase the load as you become stronger and more confident. Number 7. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are a classic exercise that challenges and develops upper body strength like few others. By lifting your body to the bar, you intensely activate the back muscles, biceps, and upper back. This compound movement also requires a significant amount of grip strength and scapular stability. Performing this exercise is not easy, but it is extremely rewarding. Each repetition requires you to coordinate and engage multiple muscle groups, which not only increases strength but also improves muscular endurance. Moreover, this exercise contributes to a balanced physique, as it strengthens muscles that are often neglected in other training routines. To progress with pull-ups, start using assistance, such as resistance bands, and reduce the assistance as you gain strength. Vary your grip, supinated, pronated, or neutral, to focus on different muscles. With dedication and consistency, pull-ups can transform upper body strength and improve your overall athletic performance. Number 8. Military press. The military press is an essential exercise for strengthening the shoulders and upper body. Primarily focusing on the deltoids, triceps, and upper chest, this movement involves lifting a weight overhead, requiring a good amount of coordination and stability. By performing this exercise, you strengthen the shoulder muscles, which is crucial for preventing injuries and improving performance in other exercises and daily activities. Additionally, this exercise promotes shoulder stability and activates the rotator cuff muscles, essential for joint health. Technique is crucial to avoid injuries and maximize results. Keep your feet well positioned on the floor, your core engaged, and lift the bar in a controlled manner. Avoid excessively arching your back and keep your elbows slightly in front of your body during the movement. Start with light weights to master the technique and gradually increase the load as you become stronger and more confident. Number 9. Farmer's walk. The farmer's walk is a functional exercise that intensely works the forearms, grip, core, and lower body. By holding heavy weights in each hand and walking, you challenge not only your strength but also your endurance and stability. This exercise is simple yet extremely effective. Carrying weights in a controlled manner improves grip strength, which is essential for many other exercises and daily activities. Additionally, the walk strengthens the core, as the abdominal and back muscles engage to maintain balance and posture during the movement. Another great benefit is the improvement of coordination and balance. As you walk with the weights, your body must constantly adjust to maintain stability, enhancing your ability to perform complex movements and avoid injuries. To perform the walk, start with manageable weights and gradually increase as your strength and endurance improve. Maintain an upright posture, with shoulders back and firm steps. This exercise is an excellent complement to any training routine, especially for those seeking functional strength and a balanced physique. To achieve impressive strength, it is essential to master the correct technique and gradually increase the load. Proper form not only prevents injuries but also maximizes results. Start with light weights to refine your technique and progress slowly. Progressive overload is crucial, as it challenges the muscles, promoting their growth and adaptation over time.